Times best-selling author.
The 42-year-old has built an empire which includes a lifestyle brand, a sports agency, and a digital ad agency, VaynerMedia.
What does VaynerMedia do?
We're modern-day Mad Men. We're producing videos and pictures. We're running media dollars for the biggest brands in the world.
Nobody I know, Gary, has seized YouTube, social media in this country like you.
It is a wide open field. It's about asking. You have to make your actions map your ambitions.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand up everyone and welcome on the stage one of the most authentic speakers on the planet, Mr. Gary Vee!
Thank you. I will read that sign shortly. Thank you. What's good, Dubai? What is good? Thank you for having me. Big shout out to everybody in the back. I see you up there. Love you too. Let's get into it. All right, thank you. So my plan here actually is to do quite a bit of Q&A because the reality is the more I do this, the more I realize how simplistic my point of view on marketing and entrepreneurship and business actually is. I a lot of times compare business and entrepreneurship and marketing to working out or health. The reality is trillions of dollars are being spent on looking better, feeling better, but the reality is eating well and working out at the gym every day is the actual answer. Yet people are looking for celery or apple vinegar or surgery to execute that for them. And the reality is that's basically how I see business. The reality is it's actually quite simple. And more importantly, for everybody in this room, we are here during an extremely special time because this device is wildly underrated by all of us in this room. This is a far bigger deal than I think we can understand. How many people here are older than 40 years old? Raise your hands. I'll raise mine. So for the people that just raised their hands, you're aware because we lived in the world pre-internet. You're aware how remarkable the internet actually is. For the people in this room, how many people under 30? Raise your hands. No concept. You've had it so good, which is amazing. I love it. The reality is that it's difficult for you even to know how much opportunity you actually have because you've only known a world with the internet. The internet is one of the stunning, all-time, most important innovations to hit the human race. It has created a scenario where I can be in New York producing content on a video and many people, how many people here, by show of hands, consume my